Today we're going to make a chair using Blender 2.8. First thing you need to do is open up a new file, one of the general files. If it doesn't look like this, just go up here to File, New, General. Okay, make sure you select this box. You can tell because it has a yellow line around it if it's selected. If it's not selected, it looks like this. To select it, just put your mouse on it and left click. Now it's selected. Now we're going to squash that cube so it looks like the seat of a chair. So I'm going to take my mouse, put it above the cube. I'm going to hold down S. And then I'm going to press Z. Now I'm going to move my mouse down. Make this thin until it looks like about the width of a chair seat. Okay, now we're going to look at the top. You can do that just by going up here to top right, clicking on the Z. Or you can press 7 on the number pad. Then I'm going to zoom in so I can see up close. Now go up to the top left where it says Object Mode. Click on that arrow next to it and change it to Edit Mode. Okay, we're going to cut this chair up with some loop cuts. So when you're in Edit Mode, all you have to do is hold down Ctrl and press R. And grab this little line. You're going to move one to the left. Then you're going to do it again. Oh, put it on the left, then click. Do it again, Control R. Grab that, move it to the right, and click. Then you're going to do it again. Put your mouse up here along the X-axis. Hold down Control, press R. Grab it, move it up. And one last time, we're going to hit Control R. Grab that, move it down, and click. Okay, use your scrolling wheel on your mouse. Push it down to look underneath the chair. Okay, and what we're going to do now, we're going to grab the four corners and we're going to pull them out to make legs. So we're going to change this mode up here from the vertex mode to the face select. So I click on that. And now I can select this face. Then if I want to select another one, I'm going to hold down Shift. So I hold down Shift, click on second one, third one, fourth one, all while holding down Shift. Okay, now that all four of those are selected, I'm going to press E. And then without pushing any mouse buttons, I'm just going to move my mouse down. And it's going to draw out 4 chair legs. Okay, I'm going to unselect by clicking off the table or off the chair. And then I'm going to use my scrolling wheel to look at the top. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to select this corner. I'm going to hold down Shift. I'm going to select the middle. Then I'm going to select the last corner. And once again, I'm going to press E and move up. Okay, I can zoom out. I can look at that, see if I like the proportions. If I want to see it without any lines, I can change this from Edit Mode to Object Mode. And now I have a chair. That's it. Now you just got to save it. Go up here to File, Save As. Look where it's going. Make sure you know where that is. I'm going to call this one Chair Example. And then I hit Save. Save. You got to hit Save twice for whatever reason. And then that's it.